Hello and welcome. We have already seen in the perspective, one perspective we have seen, that is evolutionary perspective. Now we will see another perspective, that is functional perspective. Earlier, I have told that there are four major perspectives, but this doesn't mean there are only four perspectives. The four major perspectives according to the syllabus, that is evolutionary, functional, interactionist and conflict. The thinkers that is there in the syllabus, that could be categorized in functional, interactionist and conflict, and evolutionary is also very much important because there is something overlapping of this evolutionary ideas. So the perspective which this time we are going to see is functional. This functional perspective see society or the social institutions. Functional, the social thinkers that categorize under this functional perspective, they say that this society is a kinds of cooperating and in cooperation the society is created, and certain institutions, certain groups are there to function or to play certain roles that is assigned in society. So these roles that is called function that is played in society, it is all because to sustain or to continue this society and social fabric that is there in the society. So this functionalist, they see every institutions, every groupings, every corporating things that is playing a functional role. That is why they exist, and that is playing functional roles with an objective, that is to sustain the society or the social institutions. Like we have Emile Durkheim, we have Talcott Parsons, Robert K. Morton. These thinkers have basic ideas that social institutions play certain required roles in society that is very much important to sustain, to continue society. So suppose there is called family. The functionalist would focus on the role played by family to continue to sustain society. That is the importance of the family. What is the importance of family in society? The main focus of social thinkers that comes under this functional perspective is to focus on the functional role or the needs that is fulfilled by family. The needs of society is fulfilled by these institutions. There could be many for other thinkers, but the basic or underlying idea is that the family is playing certain important role or fulfills certain needs of society, that is, what is the needs, what is the role that is playing, that is another thing, but underlying concept is this institution is important because this important is playing certain essential roles, certain functions in society. So this is the basic idea in the functional or the functional perspective. But in society with a rapid change, suppose certain society has society 1, it has certain kinds of value system. So according to that, we have certain kinds of institutions, like you can say family is there, family 1, or other value system is there, other institutions is also there, like tribalism in earlier society. So this is there. But over a period of time, if society changes into developed one, suppose we have also used that evolutionary ideas here. So pre-modern to modern society, we have again this modern society. Now, because this change, because the change in the value system, the needs of society is also changed. Then what happens? The old institutions may just pass, go away, and the new institutions will follow to play certain integrative role to sustain that society. So for functionalist, this disruption could be there in the transitional phase when society, earlier society or society 1 is changed into society 2, another society. That disruptive or transitional age may be disruptive, and that equilibrium that is needed in society is missing in transitional phase. But as it was there in society, earlier society, there was an equilibrium of value system, of institutions. The people are cooperating for sustaining the society. Similar kinds of equilibrium is required to be maintained in the new society that is achieved. So you can say that earlier the equilibrium was achieved. We have to achieve that equilibrium in the new society to sustain. So the functionalists say that this society in the rapid change becomes disruptive for a period of time, and it automatically gets a new equilibrium over a period of time. So this equilibrium, maintaining equilibrium, is one of the important areas where this functionalist try to focus on, how certain institutions in certain changing worlds achieve certain equilibrium, isn't it? So every thinkers, be it Emile Durkheim, Talcott Parsons, Robert K. Morton, that is there in your syllabus, would be saying something similar, and that is certain social institutions there, and they are playing certain essential roles to fulfill needs of society, and they are in the equilibrium. But suppose that society is changed into new one, the equilibrium is disturbed, but society has the characteristic to attain new equilibrium in new society. So this Talcott Parsons talked about this moving equilibrium also. We have Robert K. Morton, where the functions could be latent and manifest. One is manifest, that is there you can see directly, but one is there that is hidden one. So something is there for something, but they are actually playing certain other roles. So latent is something hidden roles that is playing by society. So these are the things actually they all together say that institutions, the groups are continuing all because they are playing certain essential roles. The needs of society is fulfilled by certain institutions, certain constituent elements of society, and that is why they are continuing. So everywhere you have certain kinds of requirement, and that requirement is fulfilled by certain institutions, certain grouping, because society is of a kind of cooperating work. So these are the basic things of functional perspectives. We will see all the things in details while we will go to study this Emile Durkheim separately in thinker person, target person, Robert K. Morton, similarly in thinker portion of this syllabus. So this is the basic thing that you should be knowing, and that's all in this class. Thank you very much.